Your credit can be the difference between getting or not getting that mortgage, car loan, credit card, or even that job you won, as employers are looking more and more at credit history. Knowing what goes into your credit score and practicing good borrowing habits has never been more important.
Your credit score is just an assessment of the information found on your credit report. Your credit report is your financial reputation, basically.
A credit report is the information itself, the snapshot, the history of how you pay your bills. The credit score is a number that's based on the information in the report.
The information in your credit report is grouped into 5 categories. Payment history, 35%. Balances, 30%. Age of credit history, 15%. Credit inquiries, 10%. And the types of credit you have, 10%.
Generally, a good credit score is going to be whatever score the lender requires to give you the best deal. In today's credit environment, lenders want to see scores in the 720 and above range. If you have scores in the low 600s or in the 500s, you may not get approved at all, and if you do get approved, it's going to be at punishing interest rates. If I have a good credit score, I may pay 0% on an auto loan or 4.5% on a mortgage loan. If I have poor credit scores, I might pay 19% on an auto loan or 10 or 11% on a mortgage.
There are 3 major agencies that offer credit reports. They are Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian.
They're basically a clearinghouse of information. They get the information, they compile the information, and they furnish reports either to the consumer or to the lender that's trying to make a credit decision. Not all places furnish information to all 3 credit bureaus. So if you have a mistake on one report, that could influence the score on that particular report, whereas the other report that may not have that mistake may show a higher score.
You can report inaccuracies online and dispute it, and usually if you dispute it online, you get your results a lot faster than if you were to call.
From that point, the credit bureaus will then take the dispute in-house and then contact the source of the challenged information and verify whether or not it's accurate, make changes if necessary, and then send the updated copy to the consumer with the results of their investigation.
At the end of the day, if it's accurate, if it's correct, there is no way to remove it. Only time is going to heal that. And in general, most information gets removed after 7 years. One exception being Chapter 7 bankruptcy stays on for 10 years.